So, Tisha, tax filing time is coming up. I don't know if there will be any things deferred as far as that goes, but we need to be ready just in case. So, we're checking in with Crystal Howell.
Absolutely.
Good morning, Crystal. You're definitely practicing some social distancing this morning.
We have to in this time.
It is true. So today we're continuing with our series as we look at its financial statements and tax filing as well.
First, well, we have to continue with the financial statement. Many companies, as you would expect, are trying to implement measures to ensure that their staff are safe. So as soon as that has been sorted out, we will continue with the tax filing section. In the interim, we'll be looking at finishing off the cash. And if we do, we'll look at business continuity planning.
The internet connection is not so good on that, unfortunately.
Okay. All right. Crystal, we are having a little difficulty hearing all of what you're saying. Um,
Okay.
let's try again. So carry on. You were saying.
I'll try to speak a little slower. We'll start with the because we'll get that wrapped up. And then if we're going to business continuity planning, because in these times, we're going to need to understand how we're going to plan uncertainty in a greater way. So the first thing is the cash flow statement, and it's understandably something that most businesses want to have a good understanding of, because regardless, cash is always going to be king. Understanding the sources of your cash from your business is also going to be very important. So if you have the, you're going to see that you have a flow from operation, which if you remember our profit and loss statement, you will have your revenue expenses, and that's going to give you your net income or your
Right.
net earnings.
Right.
So the cash flow statement is going to help you to understand what the difference is between your net income and the cash you have in your bank. So you're going to see this is a simplified version of the cash, which I've used so that more persons in the business can be able to understand. You have here it broken down into three categories. So you see in the blue, you have your cash flow from operations, which will be your normal day going on. So you have to owe money, persons that you owe money to, those kind of things that contribute to your from operations. So if you have last year, because there's always a difference between last year and this year, if you had $5,000 in purchase owing you money, but this year you owe $4,000, that means you would have earned $1,000 in cash. So that would show you that your cash from operations would have increased by about $1,000. In this example, we have your in accounts receivable, it increased from the 5,000 to 4,000. This example, we have $1,000, but if you have accounts receivable and it came up dollars, that is extra $15,000 in cash in your hand.
Continue, Crystal.
Okay, just wanted to make sure that had it drop. So this helps you to be how much money your business is actually making,
Mm-hmm.
which will be very important because you want to make sure that your business is actually producing cash flow. So it will go through all the different items here, and you will see if it give you cash, if you would have lost cash as below where you had increased inventory, you would have spent an additional $30,000 in cash and you would have closed here. So this is why you are seeing a $30,000 in money. So then when you go down, you're going to see cash from investing. This category, now, think of it as you putting money back into your business. So you decide to buy something that is of a long-term value. In this example, they have equipment.
All
So
right, Chris.
whatever equipment,
All right, Crystal. Thank you so much for coming in. We're going to have to work on perfecting the reaching out through the major platforms. But as you can imagine, a lot more people are online, so we're not hearing you as clearly as we would
It's
like.
coming and going.
Yeah, definitely dropping in and out. But I think we got some of what you were talking about in terms of being able to
Yeah,
ably budget
gotta
and
watch
looking
that
at.
cash flow and know what's coming in, what's going out, so that you know what money you're making and that kind of thing.